My name is Singh, and in this video, I will be discussing the question set 50 of DBMS question set 9. So this would be the PDF of question set 50, um, and and this would be the scenario of question set 44. Um, After installing the operating system on the computer, the software was reinstalled. All previous data needs to be restored in the database. To do this, use the previously created BEng CHDB backup file, create the required restore query. So in the previous discussion, you might remember, since a virus was in our computer, we had to delete all of the data that was in our computer, in the computer. The operating system of the computer is installed and the software was reinstalled. So all data needs to be restored in the database. So they ask us to restore those data using queries. Firstly, let's go to our command line client and create our database. Firstly, let's insert our password. Now let's create our database. Database is let's execute this query and let's see whether the created database is available. So as you can see, we don't have our database, our RunBeam SCHDB database. Let's connect our connection, and so now let's see whether. So as you can see, we have our database, but it's empty. So let's go to our command prompt and run it as an administrator. So here we are in the command prompt as an administrator. Let's change our folder, execute it. Now we are in the bin folder. Now, since we have changed our path, our folder, let's restore our data. So function MySQL, then using dump MySQL so we can restore our data. MySQL -u, the username, and -p, the name of our database. And less than symbol, path of our backup folder, which is in the document folder. And let's lastly mention our file. Let's execute it and give our password once again. Let's see whether there are any data in our database. Let's refresh this database. Data is present. As you can see, our database is restored with our previous data successfully. And that would be the end of the discussion of question set 50, and also the end of the question series discussion of DBMS module 1. And thank you.